What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. And I just got back from my LCS, picked up my 2 boxes of Gypsy Queen. So we are going to not waste any time and tear right into it here. Probably do this in 2 separate videos, or the second one might just be a recap. I'm not sure. Got the topper. It's Manny Machado. That's nice. These are real nice looking cards. Thicker stock than last year too. Those are nice. Alright, let's get to it here. So pretty basic, not a lot of insert sets this year. I think there's just 2 inserts. They did get rid of the minis, which I'm fine with. I'm not a big fan of the minis anyway. But that's just my own personal opinion. Alright. So we have Parker Bridwell, Jose Iglesias, Marco Estrada, Corey Nebel, Kutch, Fortune Teller of Chris Davis, Cole Hamels, Daniel Murphy. So I'll be working on this set. Hopefully I'll be able to put together, I got the Heritage set put together pretty quick. Just the base anyway, but I was able to do that. Alright, got Pujols, James McCann, Yasmani Tomas, Trevor Bauer, Will Myers. Alright, Yasiel Puig, 58 of 250. That blue parallel, I like those. Clayton Richard, Manny Machado. That blue kind of pops on those parallels, I like it. Zach Davies, Jackie Bradley Jr., Tyler Glasnow, Masahiro Tanaka, Josh Donaldson. Alright, got an Aaron Judge, Tear to the Diamond card. Very cool. Corey Kluber and Luke Weaver. Alright, Travis Shaw, Adam Jones, Hector Neris, Judd Lowry, Scooter Gennett, Sonny Gray, and okay, that's the missing team name variation. Manny Margot and Xander Bogaerts. I got D. Gordon, Freddie Freeman, Mike Moustakas, Justin Upton, Kevin Gausman, and a Harrison Bader auto. Harrison Bader autograph. Just the base, not numbered. Like a signature, that's cool. Brandon Woodruff, Matt Moore. Starlin Castro, Logan Morrison, Jacob deGrom, Tommy Pham, fortune teller should be Sanchez. Yep, Gary Sanchez, Yohan Moncada, Dexter Fowler, Adam Duvall. I got Homer Bailey, Ryan Healy, Greg Allen, Carson Fulmer, Mitch Haniger, Zhu Wei Lin, Zach Granite, Andrew Stevenson. Alright, got Schwarbaum, Jorge Polanco, Craig Kimbrell, Brad Hand, Noah Syndergaard, a bazooka back of David Peralta, John Lester, Matt Kemp. Alright, up next, Sean Newcomb, Carlos Correa, Steven Souza Jr., Ichiro, Luke Weaver. This will be, okay, the logo swap, I think they're called. Maikel Franco, George Springer, Hunter Pence. I did see on eBay that Anthony Rizzo, run around the base. I forget the name of the insert, but I saw that autograph. Man, is that nice. It is nice. Logan Forsythe, Chance Sisco, Jose Urena, J.A. Happ, Matt Harvey, Gregory Polanco, Matt Olson, Domingo Santana. So to pull one of those autographs would be pretty cool. Alright, Jason Hayward, Felix Jorge, Lucas Giolito, Vince Velasquez, Alex Gordon, Jack Flaherty, Andrew Kashner, Didi Gregorius. Alright, got Jose Ramirez, Daniel Mengden, Blake Snell, Max Kepler, Fortune Teller Mini, J.P. Crawford, Elvis Andrews, Chris Archer, Brian Anderson. Cargo, Cole Calhoun, Ivan Nova, Ricky Nolasco, Brandon Crawford, Terror to the Diamond, nice, Giancarlo Stanton. So I got Judge and Stanton for the tarot cards. That's very cool. Ken Giles and Jarrett Parker. That Yankees lineup is going to be some fun to watch. Jordan Zimmerman, Jake Lamb, Alex Bregman, Nolan Arenado, Matt Carpenter, Ravned Odor, Anthony Rendon, Austin Hedges. I am so excited for Thursday. Baseball season getting underway. Cubs play at, I think, 11:40, so I might be able to see some of the game before I get called into work. We'll see. All right, Dominic Smith, Jose Quintana, speaking of, Yoenis Cespedes, Aaron Alter, Josh Bell, German Marquez, Felipe Rivero, and Dinelson Lamet. All right, last card is stack number 2. Or last pack of stack number 2. We have, there he is, finally, Anthony Rizzo, Miguel Sano, Roberto Ozuna, Jake Arrieta, Anthony Banda, rookie auto. Have a cool signature too. And that one's not numbered. So Anthony Banda. Jordy Mercer, Ahmed Rosario, Josh Reddick. All right. I got Andrew Miller, Paul Blackburn, DJ LeMahieu, Kevin Pillar. Nice. Honus Wagner's the short print. Sonny Gray, Adrian Beltre, David Peralta. Okay. All right, we got John Gray, Mark Reynolds, Joey Votto, Brad Miller, Yolmer Sanchez, J.D. Martinez. Yeah. That's going to be the missing team name. Garrett Cole, Melky Cabrera. All right, Tim Beckham, Christian Yelich, Jonathan Shoup, Yadier Molina, Rio Ruiz, Johnny Cueto, Aaron Nola, Joey Gallo. Corey Seager, Ender Inciarte, Lorenzo Cain, Luis Gohara, Ichiro, Turret of the Diamond. That's 3 good ones I got. Happy with that. Brandon Belt, Brian Dozier, Alcides Escobar. Garrett Richards, Anibal Sanchez, Joe Panik, Chris Davis, Hunter Renfroe, Fortune Teller, Trey Mancini. All right, there's the Ohtani. Cool. and Sandy Alcantara. Kind of surprised Otani's not a short print. I thought maybe they'd go that route, but for his base, they did not. Alright, Clint Frazier. Miggy. Rick Porcello. Goldie. Evan Longoria. Julio Teheran. AJ Pollock. Luis Castillo. Keon Broxton. Francisco Mejia. Zach Cozart. Richard Urena. Uris Familia. Mickey Matuk. Eddie Rosario. Nomar Mazara. And the last pack, box number 1. We have Sean Manaea, Avisail Garcia, Michael Fulmer, Scott Schebler, got an Austin Hedges numbered to 250, 195 of 250, Bryce, AJ Jimenez, and Kyle Seager. Alright. So, quick recap, got the autos were just base autos, Anthony Banda, Harrison Bader. Sorry about the lighting. And got the 2 numbered cards, tarot cards, and the Machado Glassworks base. So, that's it for box number 1. I like the product this year. Like I said, I'll be putting the set together, and we'll see what happens in box number 2. Thanks for watching.